Hi, class. I hope you had a great long weekend. Welcome to week 6 of Counseling 120. Again, we've just finished up with time management. You've got the calendar and weekly schedule assignment that's due. And hopefully that you can get your planner going. Again, I want to emphasize with that weekly schedule assignment is to be as detailed as possible. And I want you, after the fact of doing it, to look at it critically and see, is what you're doing fine? Is there anything that you can improve? And if so, make those adjustments as well. So this week is week 6, and we'll be transitioning into working memory. I want you to watch the videos by Peter Doolittle, and we're going to discuss strategies and technique to improve our memory and working memory, and that can help academically for us as well. Also expect at the end of the week a quiz. So again, we've got another short week this week, and we'll mostly be focusing on working memory. So look forward to seeing you on Canvas. And I also want to update you that I hope to have everything graded by the end of the week. So we have a really large class, almost 50 students, so I appreciate your patience with the grading. And again, keep up the great work.